Now, I'll explain how an entry portal, a wormhole, and an exit portal are supposed to work together. Because what I'm about to describe only makes sense if you first understand this. There is a protocol, and I didn't follow it. Every time the portal opened, there was the same noise, an electrical tearing. Sound, 80 decibels, no heat. More like space-time being forced to separate. At the boundary, light collapsed, completely destroyed, but matter didn't. This was the key discovery. The portal behaved like a two-dimensional surface that stripped photons but allowed physical mass to pass through intact. I could enter, I could exit, my body was unharmed. That part worked exactly as predicted. Inside the wormhole, the familiar rules disappeared. No time, no gravity, no light. But consciousness remained. Awareness didn't fade, it sharpened. There was no body to move, no muscles, no orientation. Consciousness itself became propulsion. Forward wasn't a direction, it was an instruction. And once you're inside, forward is the only option. If you don't use it, you're stuck. Here's where I went wrong. I entered without coordinates. No exit portal was assigned, no destination calculated, no alignment confirmed. I had proven that the portal was safe for matter, and curiosity overrode caution. I assumed movement alone would resolve the rest. It didn't. Moving forward without direction, without light, means you don't know exactly what you're approaching until you hit it. And I hit something. It wasn't resistance, it was a barrier. An immense wall, engineered, deliberate, designed to prevent passage by unaligned entities from either direction. From our system to theirs, and from theirs to ours. I struck it at speed. Pressed against it, I became angry and thrashed around. I tore a permanent rupture in the thick skin-like structure, and I slipped through. Not into another universe, per se, but into a space I had no authorization to enter. No protocol, no alignment, no key. I was not supposed to be there. This is why consciousness matters, because it was the only thing I had left. No body, no control, and no instruments. Just identity. Just awareness of forward. When everything else is stripped away, consciousness isn't passive, it's the last remaining vector of motion. And mine had put me somewhere where it shouldn't have. I didn't find my way out. I was retrieved by something that knew I didn't belong there and knew how to correct the mistake. Next episode, I'll explain what happened after the rescue, how I was allowed to explore that world on my own, and why I was given something I don't fully understand, a ring. One that doesn't open portals, it bypasses them.